When you do a good pranayama sincerely, when you practice every day, not only just for 10 minutes, it's really a good yogi practices a good pranayama, which is like at least half an hour, 1 hour pranayamas. The ones who will do this kind of things, they know it, how the energies will shift from one chakra to other chakra. And these energies are combination of these 5 elements energies only. They will help you. With one inhale, yogi can take all these energies from Muladhara to Sahasrara, from Sahasrara to Muladhara he can bring. And such people, brain, body, everything will be so healthy. Physically also, your brain needs an oxygen. You know this. And without that oxygen, without that air, without that prana, we can't live for long. Your body needs a water, isn't it? Without that water, what will happen? We cannot live for long. There is a Agni, the hunger, how you are experiencing that. That is a Agni only. In Sanskrit, we called as a Jathara. This is Jathara, which is in a stomach, which is connected to your navel chakra. From there, this fire starts. Jathara. When you feel hungry, you feel like that I want something. Hungry. That's the Agni only. That begins like that. Understand? All that elements, somewhere you will experience. When you fall in sleep, you experience Akasha. You will get completely into the space. You will be not here. You will go away. And when you experience your consciousness in a very deep state, you will experience that ether also. All elements will come together, and you will experience here or there and everywhere. It comes into your life. Only you have to get deep and into those things, then you can know it. Then you can feel it. Yes, this is this. We are very much, the basic thing is we are very much connected with this prana vayu, which is oxygen. Okay? This is very important for each and every cell it needs. And that prana comes from where? From outside only it is coming. From elements only it is coming. It is taking from everything only. And then your body, how much % of water you have in your body? Tell me. More than 70%. And how much % is in a brain? Tell me. A great percentage of your brain is filled with water only. The water content is a lot, and depends upon your emotions, depends upon your aging, depends upon the things which you are experiencing in life. You know, your brain is also vibrating, it shrinks also. And all these elastic actions are happening in your brain just because of that prana vayu, and because of these 5 elements energies only, how they are functioning. And this comes through that how you are taking the inhale and exhales. This comes through your sleep. This comes through your food, what you are eating, because of that Jathara, because of that Akasha Tattva in your sleep. In your sleep, your brain is experiencing that Akasha Tattva. The sleep is very important for a human life. The proper sleep when you have, the brain fills with that prana, and that prana comes from Akasha only. You see, it's a great science, everything. We are connected with those energies only. And all these energies are eternal, but not this body. Not this body. But try to understand that. That's why I'm telling people, when they need this good memory, okay, good brain, you want to sustain for a longer time and all these things, I always tell, please eat good, sleep good, meditate good. Why you have to eat good, sleep good, meditate good? Because to keep your brain healthy. So everything is interlinked, you see. The environments where you are, to what your senses are exposing, and what you are experiencing through your senses, what you are speaking, what you are hearing, huh? What you are touching, what you are smelling, what you are eating, everything matters. Everything is connected to your brain. That's why I said, apart from this, a good sleep is very necessary. Apart from this, you have to drink a good amount of water to keep your brain healthy. Okay? And do everyday pranayamas. Give enough oxygen to your brain. And maintain your thoughts and your work and everything that you don't feel stressful. Don't stress the brain. When you do this again and again and again, in long run, it will be kaput. One small fuse is weak, cable is weak, then total loss. No replacement for this. So that's why it is very important. Take care, take care, take care. Any emotions or any things like this, it is very important to look after yourself.